maida, half cup of powdered sugar, some melted butter, egg, vanilla extract and some baking soda. Now I'm going to add a pinch of baking soda into the maida. Now I'm going to add some egg into this bowl. Now I'm going to add some butter, powdered sugar, maida and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I have made a dough. Now I'm going to make small balls and flatten the dough. Look at these balls. I have finished making these balls. Look at them. And now I'm going to scrub oil around this pan. And after that, I'm going to take these round balls and flatten it on the oil. Okay? Now we are going to bake this in oven. But the cookies is ready. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.